So much fun in the rain.
Say good morning.
Mick, come here. Come here. Let's get a treat.
Only time his bitch ass wanna listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy?
All right, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
What's wrong? What is it that you want? What do you need?
Well, adopted.
Are you?
What did you do?
This is what Churro does when I try to get him off of me.
Oh, I got it! I got it! I got it!
I don't think he's excited.
Stuck in a crack.
Dog. I'm gonna eat you.
Oh my god.
This is the most perfect thing that I've ever seen.
I'm just gonna change and I'll be right back out, okay? Okay. Excuse me. Can I shut this?
Speak! Good girl. Arlo, whisper. 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 Jocks, come on.
Cups, please. Look at her. She's trying to get out the window, girl. She gonna give you your cup, pup, girl. Are you smiling, dude? Oh my god.
Maddie, don't bite Dad.
That is not nice.
Let me try. Oh, thank you, Maddie. Okay, now let Dad give you some pets. What have you done?
Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my god! A chili dog. Stop.
Just kidding. Get him! Get him!
What are you doing?
You don't jump on my couch.
What the fuck are you yelling at? Shut the hell up! Shut up!
Oh my god!
Nina, hug him.
I think he wants a cheeseburger.
Show me your sore foot. Oh, you poor thing.
You want a treat? You want to go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Ah, just like your old man. Hey! Ah! You goddamn little fucking shit!
It's Mama.
Do you like the...
High five. Too slow.
Bear.
I know. Yeah, you're done. She's not.
My.
What the fuck are you doing?
What in the hell are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh! Oh!
Robert, eat your food.
Let me see your smile.
Chicken. Medicine.